to what? According to the demand in the market, the labor, the number of laborers which you use and the amount of capital which you use will be different. Okay? And manam chestunna difference prakaramgane the output will also be based on. Okay? That is called as the ISO fact. Okay? The equal quantity. Okay? You make changes in the input. You make for every production, you might make changes for your input. But the output will be based on what the input you have given. That is called as the ISO fact. Adhamaita? Yes or no? No? We'll see. When you want to make chocolate cookies chesam anukunnam. Okay? What are the ingredients which you need for chocolate cookies? Or else cake anukunnam. Okay? Cake chesam anukunnam. What are the ingredients which you need? Flour kavali and cocoa powder if it is chocolate. Okay? Sugar. Right? Okay, eggs also. Chocolate is already doing. Milk sometimes. Okay, listen. Guys, listen.
Cooking pan.
So here, what should be the output? You can make this for example output A quantity, okay? And these 5 will be considered as the input. Okay? So ఈ 5 inputs అయినప్పుడు however you mix them అంటే first flour వేసి దాంట్లో చాక్లెట్ పౌడర్ వేసి దాంట్లో మిల్క్ వేసి మిక్స్ చేస్తా or first కోకో పౌడర్ వేసి తర్వాత ఫ్లోర్ వేసి తర్వాత మిల్క్ వేసి మిక్స్ చేస్తా లాస్ట్ కి కేకే కదా అవుతుంది. Okay, now you understand? Okay, whatever the process might be, process ఏదైనా సరే the output will be the same. That is called as the ISO fact. Okay? That's the end of the class today.